Are you a whiz in 3D printing and construction? Answer these questions correctly, and let's see if you can prove your skills and knowledge in the latest innovations shaping the industry. What is the primary process used in 3D printing? Additive manufacturing. Which material is most commonly used in 3D printing for construction? Concrete. Which industry has significantly benefited from 3D printing for creating prosthetics and implants? Healthcare. What is one of the biggest advantages of 3D printing in construction? Faster construction times. Which year saw the completion of the world's largest 3D printed house? (2021). What technology is most commonly used in 3D printing to melt and extrude thermoplastic filament? Fused deposition modeling. What term is used to describe 3D printing of homes according to a buyer's custom specifications? Mass customization. Which construction technique is being explored to 3D print structures in space? Regolith printing. What is the main challenge of scaling 3D printing in construction for large infrastructure projects? Lack of standardized regulations. What emerging field of 3D printing involves printing human tissues and organs? Bioprinting. Tag and share with your friends to challenge them too.